Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Tosin here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for subscribing, and if you're not subscribed yet, please kindly hit the subscribe button down below. In this video, I'll be doing a full face makeup tutorial using all drugstore makeup, which are so good for beginners that are just starting out with makeup and you just want some tips. You just want not to apply your eyeshadow, your foundation, and do the contour and everything. I'm going to show you guys how to do that in this video. Everything I use is pretty much under 10 bucks and it's so affordable, and you guys don't want to miss it. If you live in the US, like the drugstore there is CVS, Walgreens. If you live in the UK, it's Boots, Superdrugs. So you guys can actually go in there and find really good affordable makeup and create like a nice day and night look, which is very affordable, so you don't have to really break the bank. A really good affordable makeup and also slay. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Keep on watching. Up next, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Prep Primer. I'm just gonna work that into my skin. This is a really good primer. Just goes in very smooth. And up next, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I'm just spraying my sponge up. I'm just going to go ahead and apply it on my face. If you're looking for like an everyday foundation, this is a go-to. The coverage is really good. Just bringing it down a little bit on my neck. Just wanted to blend out evenly with your neck. So, Makeup Revolution Concealer in C11. I'm going to spray my beauty blender and then just blend right in there. The coverage on this concealer is sick, literally sick. For £4, which is $7, is really good. I mean, you can't beat that. You're getting a good quality, good coverage, and it's buildable. It's lightweight, so see guys, you can still look glam, like really good and glowy and coverage all up in there with like affordable like brands. Like you don't really have to go out and spend a lot of money on things. When I first started out like wearing makeup, to be honest, I spent a lot of my time in drugstore looking for good deals and good quality stuff to get. I'm not going for no Sephora at that time. Too, I pretty much started Sephora when I was like a little bit older and I was able to get a job and afford it. So, and MAC was actually like the first brand that I actually like went into first, like my really expensive brand. It's not that expensive, but I mean, you know what I mean, compared to like drugstore. Like, I branched into them first before I started using any other stuff. I don't want to use contour. I'm going to use like a bronzer and just contour up my face. So let me just set my concealer. And I'll be using the NYX HD Studio Finishing Powder. Just going to use that to set my under eye area and where I applied my concealer on. This powder is very fine. Not like the Laura Mercier way, when you put it on you can literally see the whole thing. It's very fine and smooth. So I'm just going to brush that off my face. And up next, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Face Powder. This is really good. It's very affordable also. So I'm just gonna pretty much just brush that into my skin. It's gonna bring back my color, and I'm using actually in shade caramel. This is pretty much like a drugstore foundation routine right here. Easy breezy. Up next, I'm using my NYX matte bronzer. I'm going to use that just to contour my cheekbones and my forehead, just to kind of bring in a little bit of warmth into my face. And then I'm going to take a tiny little brush and just lightly brush that on my nose. Then I'm just going to take that setting powder from NYX and just clean out the edge a little bit, not sharpen it up. I still want to get that side snatched too, so just doing the same thing for this side. Brushing that up. You see that effect right there? So once that is done, this is my foundation routine, contour, highlight, everything. Then I'm going to set it, and then I'm going to move into my eyes. This just helps the powder set and it doesn't make it look too powdery. Up next, I'm using the Dual Brow Definer from Makeup Revolution. It comes with a brush and stuff, so you can pretty much use the brush to brush your brow up. And the thing about this, it goes on like really smooth. So I'm just gonna brush the hair part with light strokes. I'm just go ahead and brush that up, kind of blending it in. So once my brow is done, I'm going to take my concealer and just clean it up. I'm just bringing a little bit of that on my eyelid before I apply my eyeshadow. I'm just going to blend that in. Then I'm just using my beauty blender just to blend it in more. And up next, I'll be using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. This palette is so beautiful. I love the warm tone colors in there. It's gonna look like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. It's about £4, which is $7. And we're gonna test it out. And this is my first time actually getting a Makeup Revolution palette, and I can't wait to dig in. I'm gonna go for like a brown. So I'm gonna apply this color right on my crease. Then I'm gonna move up. Okay, pigment, not too bad though. If you're like a beginner, just like testing out makeup and stuff, this is like a really good eyeshadow brand to actually go in for, because they have a lot of eyeshadows and they're usually dupes of like high-end brand. So if you want that like subculture but you can't afford it, well, Makeup Revolution has it. Same color, so it's just up to you pretty much. So I'm just applying that brown right in there. Then I'm just gonna work my way up. Just like to pack in that color right there so that I can be able to blend out so it can look more pigmented. Just applying that color right there. And I'm going to be taking this warm orange right here. It's so beautiful. But I'm going to be applying that right over, like right on my crease, very lightly. And also lightly blending out that edge of that first color I used so it can look very smooth. Then I'm going to take this yellow right here and I'll be applying that right on top of that. Now you can see like the transition of those colors from yellow just coming down darker. Just to add a bit of color to my crease, I'm going to be going in with this green color right here. So I'm just gonna bring that in. This palette is actually really nice. Like I'm not getting no fallout on my face, which is great. I'm a little bit worried about that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some concealer right on my lid, clean it out a little bit more before I apply my eyeshadow. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this eyeshadow on my lid, and I'm just going to go ahead and spray that so the colors can come out more. Look at that beauty. Just glides through. I'm going to take this color right here and I'll be applying that right in my inner corner. It comes off like white, but it looks so pink. It's beautiful though, like a baby pink. I'm going to be using this Love Conquers All palette from Makeup Revolution. I'll be applying that over this because I want it to be more of a white, the highlighted color. Yeah, like that. Love that. So beautiful. I'm going to be going in with this black right here just to smoke out my outer part. I'm using the Maybelline liner. And then I'm going to go over that with the Maybelline gel liner. I'm going to be applying the Barrier mascara. That's how I roll. I'm just going to brush that up. And up next, I'll be applying the Ardell Wispies. This is actually a really good drugstore lashes. Look how nice they look, very flared out. I'll be using the LA Girl gel liner to line my waterline. And I think this is like the best eyeliner because it just slides through. I'm going to start off with the green, so I'm going to be using this green right here. Just apply that right underneath that. Then I'm going to go back with this color. I'm going in with this yellow and just apply that right. Make the whole thing pop more. Up next, I'll be applying the NYX Ombre Blush in Soft Flush. So now I'm going to set my face. Now I'm using the Collection Primed Ready Setting Spray. Actually, I'm going to mix these two together. Then I'm going to apply that as my highlighter. Ooh, ooh, do you see that? Do you see that color? Oh no, this is so pretty. I wasn't expecting that kind of glow. Well, hey, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit right on my nose and right on the bridge of my nose. This is Drugstore. Look at that. I mean, I wasn't expecting this pigment, but it's really pretty. I love like the soft pink it has going, and I love like that mixture of gold in there. I'm just gonna apply a little bit right here. Makeup Revolution got me glowing out here. Oh, ooh. Okay, Makeup Revolution. You got sister glowing all over. Just gonna apply a little bit right on my neck. Just get that glow going. If you feel like it's too much, then you can always go back with your brush and just clean out the edges a little bit more. Gonna blend it a little bit more. Get it right in there. This is actually NYX Monte Carlo. So pretty. It goes on very well. This color is actually really pretty. Like I wasn't expecting it to be. I don't think I've used it that often. I'm gonna mix these two together actually because I want that like nice ombre effect going. So this is another one. This is the NYX Soft Matte, just like the one I have on now. This is in San Juan. Ooh, that sounds very tropical. Love this two together. It's a nice combo. Okay. I'm feeling this. Like, I wasn't expecting it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that up. I'm going to set my face with my setting spray. You really don't have to go that hard. I just like a lot of setting spray on my makeup. So guys, there you have it. I created this look using literally only drugstore product that only costs under 10 bucks, and really you don't have to spend a lot of money to really look good and be all glammed up. Just know the right thing to get and you'll be set, like literally set forever. Like the foundations are amazing and eyeshadow palettes are really pigmented. I'm actually shocked that Makeup Revolution has really great palette that actually don't have fallouts at all. And look at my eyes, like look at the colors of my eyes. They're really well pigmented and I love it. And I really didn't use a lot of items, to be honest. Like you saw, the items I use is like maybe under 10 items and the price is really good. Just get like a shadow that you can pretty much use as an everyday and also when you're trying to go out. So the eyeshadow palette that I used on my eyes, you can pretty much use it for day and night, so which is great. Yeah, I really love this look. Like my skin is just glowing pretty much. Like everything is just glowing and it's all drugstore products and I'm so glad that I got it. And I hope you guys like this video. And if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.